Hi, boys and girls. Today we will write words together. For this activity, you will need a paper and something to write with. You can see my screen over to the right. Here are our steps for today. Number one, we're going to say the word. We're going to say the word 3 times so that we can remember. Number two, we're going to count the sounds in the word. For example, dog, 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 dog. Now, number 3, you will write the word dog, dog. Then you will check your word with Miss Tucker. If you need extra time, you can pause the video. Dog. Number 5, if you'd like, is to draw a picture next to the word that you write. For example, dog. Okay, let's get started. Do you know this word? This is hat. Hat, hat. At, hat. Write the word. Now let's check. Hat, at, hat. Very good. Our next word is cup. Cup, cup. Up, cup. Write the word. Now let's check. Up, cup. Number 3, lip. Lip, lip. Lip, lip. Write the word lip. Now let's check. Lip, lip. Do you know what this is? Maybe mom or dad or grandma uses this to clean. This is a mop. Mop, mop. Mop, mop. Write the word mop. Now let's check. Mop, mop. Our next word, I like to use this to drink my coffee and my tea in the morning. Mug, mug, mug. Ugh, mug. Write the word mug. Now let's check the word. Ugh, mug. Our next word is bag. Bag, bag. Ag, bag. Write the word bag. Here it is. Ag, bag. Do you know what these are? We use this one in the kitchen and this one to plant our flowers. This is a pot. Pot, pot. Pot, pot. Can you write the word pot? Now let's check. Pot, pot. Like you, these are kids. The word is kid. Kid, kid. Id, kid. Write the word kid. Now let's check. Id, kid. This is lap. Your two knees together make your lap. Lap, lap. Lap, lap. Write the word lap. Now let's check. Lap, lap. Here's our next word. This is a box. Box, box. Box, box. Write the word box. Now let's check. Box, box, box. Here's our next word. Do you know what this is? Sun, sun, sun. Sun. Write the word sun. Now let's check. Sun, sun. This blue part of the jar is the lid. Lid, lid. Lid, lid. Write the word lid. Now let's check the word. Lid. Lid, lid. That's the end of our words. Nice job, boys and girls. Now that you have the words written down, you can draw a picture to go with it and have mom or dad send me a picture of your work. Very good. Bye-bye.